The frame of this Hoist and Trolley bulk bag unloader is fabricated of 1/4 inch thick, 3 and 4 inch square tube steel. It features a bag lifting adapter that is attached to an electric hoist with a motorized trolley. The hoist is controlled by an easy-to-use 4-button pendant. A bag support pan provides the safe access that OSHA and safety managers are looking for, and is also used to motivate the bag shaker system. The bag shaker uses rubber isolators and a heavy-duty gyrator to shake the pan, refluidizing the material in the bag to ensure flow. This is an effective, efficient, and guaranteed system to provide complete discharge of the bag with none of the pinch points or dead zones seen in paddle-style machines. Additionally, the 100% duty cycle 1500 pound force vibrator is the bag shaker's only moving part. It is completely adjustable and will likely never be replaced. To unload the bag, the lift loops are fed onto the lifting adapter and the bag is lifted via the hoist, high enough to clear the support pan, then moved along the beam into the frame and lowered into the bag receiver pan. The bag should be placed so that 80 to 90% of the weight is sitting on the pan. The operator can then open the access door to reach the bag spout and untie it. If the unit has an iris valve, it can now be opened via either a trigger lock or a twist handle lock like the one shown here. The operator then pulls down the bag spout, closes the iris valve above the tie, then can untie the spout and close the access door. Once the door is closed, the valve may be opened again and the dust-free system is ready to discharge. The iris valve can also be used to close off and retie the bag to remove it from the system. However, material must be flowing through the spout to close. Forcing it closed on a solid mass can cause it to slip out of orientation. The bag shaker is actuated by either a simple on-off switch, like the one shown here, or automatically by downstream conveyors or control systems. Once the bag has been discharged, tying off the bag spout is typically recommended before removal to contain residual material. Please contact your FormPak representative for more information on this or other FormPak products.